My name is Justin Bosselman. I'm the Senior Commodity Leader at Karcher North America, responsible for engines here at our Aurora and our Monterey production facilities. We use Kubota engines on some of our high-pressure power washers, like the Hot Seat, for example. So the Kubota engines are great on the pressure washers themselves due to the performance, reliability, durability, the quality of the engines themselves. Working with AIE has been great from the standpoint of the communication piece of it, the support, the dealer network. When we have issues in the field, there's prompt response, getting technicians as we need them. So as a commodity leader here for Karcher, working with AIE and Dana Iverson specifically has been great, from getting the input and the support that we need from PO placement confirmations, order acknowledgements, any support when we have material shortages. Dana's been great, as well as AIE in general, just being able to help to close some of these gaps that we have and keep material moving out the door, product moving, and fulfilling our customer needs.